My father simple essay 20 line. Let's start. 1. My father's name is Amit Gupta. 2. He is 40 years old. 3. He is a teacher. 4. He is a great human being. 5. He works hard for my future. 6. He drops me to school every day. 7. He believes in simple living and high thinking. 8. He is an inspiration to me. 9. He is very handsome. 10. He likes to wear shirts and pants. 11. He is tall and healthy. 12. He is kind and helpful person. 13. He gets up early in the morning. 14. He gives me dresses and study materials. 15. He always tries to fulfill all my dreams. 16. When I am in trouble, he helps me to solve my problem. 17. He loves me very much. 18. He does not get angry with me. 19. I respect him. 20. I love my father very much. Subscribe and share our channel Niranjan Sir Odisha.